Welcome, geometry students, to class today on this Thursday, the 18th. Hope you guys are doing well today and hope you're ready to learn some more math. We have a lot to do today, so please be ready to pay attention. Like I've said every day so far, I think everyone should take notes. I think everyone should pay attention. We all know by now we're only in the third day of school, and you guys already know this is going to be a decently boring class. However, it will be thorough, and you can watch these videos at home if you're confused, okay? So if you don't want to work hard, that's your choice. I don't recommend that, but if you're not going to work hard, please allow others to work hard. Be mature. Okay, there will be a quiz tomorrow, and we're going to talk about that a little later during the video. See if I can get this to work here. Here we go. Okay, please turn in yesterday's homework at this time. Stop, make sure your name is on it, please. Pause, make sure your name is on it. And remember, if you did not finish it, you will still receive a 100%, but you still need to turn it in to get credit. So everyone turn it, excuse me, that's a nice embarrassing voice cracking. I'm sure that's going to happen a lot this year, so get used to it. You've got to turn it in to get credit, so please do that. If you did the entire assignment, you will get 5 bonus points on your quiz tomorrow. Now remember, if you're in the room on the day that we're taking a test or a quiz, you will take it. I don't care how many days you've missed unless you contact me first, okay? So when you're absent, please don't get behind. Today we're going to go over tomorrow's quiz. We're then going to take notes, and then we're going to do a little copying assignment. There will not be any homework tonight, okay, other than studying for your quiz. Now, the video today is about slopes of lines and parallel and perpendicular lines and the difference between coordinate and non-coordinate geometry. So please take really good notes on this material. The teaching video is called Slopes, Parallel and Perpendicular Lines, and it's about 30 minutes long. So, I mean, guys, a normal class period is 50 minutes long, and I'm teaching for 30 minutes. So that's not a bad deal, okay? Now, I've already heard from one student. Relax. Listen, guys, anytime you email me, call me, I never tell anyone who you are, but I've already heard from one student who's kind of concerned and struggling. Listen, guys, very carefully. Listen, there are a few students who are going to get an A in the class, okay? And you know, not everyone's going to get an A. There's going to be some lessons you're going to struggle with. Some lessons you'll find easy. As the old saying goes, don't throw out the baby with the bathwater. Don't go running to the office to get drop ad slips and go join track 2. Relax. Take a deep breath, and you'll be okay. All right? This stuff, sometimes some of these lessons will be confusing. Some of them won't be. Just work hard and you'll be fine. Don't panic, okay? And to be honest, kind of joking with you, you haven't seen anything yet, okay? When we get to 2-column proofs, everyone's going to be lost. To be honest with you, and that's totally normal. You have to really, really practice those to get good at those. And I'm very reasonable with how many of those I give you and how I grade them on tests and quizzes, okay? So you'll be fine. Now, let's go over your quiz for tomorrow, okay? Are you ready? I would take really good notes so you know exactly what to study for, okay? All right, here we go. First of all, your homework assignment from lesson 1.1 or lesson 1.4 right here, the assignment you're turning in right now, any problems from that assignment are fair game. So, Mr. Earhart, we're turning it in. How can we study? Guys, you've got the homework video from lesson 1.4. If you have to go back and look at it, feel free to do that. But any of the homework problems from lesson 1.4 are fair game for your quiz. Study those. Okay? Also, anything from your notes from lesson 1.4, like this. Okay, here we go. See this right here? See that saying right there? Get your notebooks out. Now, sorry for stuttering. Now, those that have taken good notes, they're going to be rewarded right now. Okay? Because they can just go through their notes and put little asterisks. This right here is going to be a fill in the blank. So some of these words will be missing tomorrow. This phrase right here will be on your quiz. Some of the words will be missing, and that's going to be a fill in the blank on your quiz. Make note of that in your notes. Rotational symmetry. This will be on your quiz as a fill in the blank. So know this. It'll be on your quiz as a fill in the blank. Now, I'm not going to ask you to write this formula on your quiz. However, you need to know it because I'm going to give you problems on your quiz where you have to find the midpoint of 2 points. So, study all the homework problems on lesson 1.4 and also learn all the things I just told you to learn from your notes from yesterday. Now, here's where it gets a little confusing, but you're sophomores, so you can handle this. You're going to take notes today from these slides. So I know you don't have these notes yet, I know that, but you can still write off to the side what to study. Today, when you take notes, you're going to write down some of these things. This right here, parallel lines, and this right here, this phrase right here, this sentence right here, that will be on your quiz. Fill in the blank. Some of the words will be missing. Same thing here. This will be on your quiz tomorrow. Fill in the blank. So even though you've not taken notes on this yet, you'll take notes on it today. Please make note of that. That'll be on your quiz tomorrow, okay? Also, this definition, collinear points will be on your quiz tomorrow. Fill in the blank. Coplanar points will be on your quiz tomorrow. Fill in the blanks, okay? So make note of that somewhere off to the side so when you take notes today you can mark that. Okay? Now, guys, I never give you problems on a quiz that you've not had homework first. And so since we're not doing homework today over this notes, you're doing the homework tomorrow after your quiz is over. Because I'm not giving you any homework from lesson 1.5, just notes, then there'll be no problems on your quiz from lesson 1.5 because we haven't done the homework yet from lesson 1.5. So let me sum it up. You ready? Study your problems from lesson 1.4 homework and then learn all the things that I told you would be on your quiz. Fill in the blank. Okay? All right. So that's tomorrow's quiz. Moving on. What else do we have? I think that's it. Oh, no, it's not. When you're done taking notes today, there's going to be a little bit of time left over. Miss Carol, if anyone does not do what I'm about ready to tell them to do, you let me know, and I will take the 5 points off of their quiz that they've earned, or if they didn't earn it, then I'll give them a 0 on last night's assignment. Okay, it's that simple. Guys, I'm not mean, but you're going to do what I tell you to do, okay? Now, I want you to finish up the class period when you're done taking notes on this video right here. There'll probably be about 5 to 10 minutes left in class. I want you to finish up class by writing the terms or those, the phrases and the terms that I just told you would be on the quiz, fill in the blanks. I want you to write each one 4 times each. Now, when you're finished, when the bell rings, you do not have to finish this assignment right here. Got it? You're not going to turn it in. I'm just trying to help you prepare for your quiz tomorrow. So you're not going to turn this in, but you are going to do it until the bell rings. Miss Carol, if anyone's not doing that, let me know like I told you. We'll take care of that. Okay? All right. That's all for today, students. Please get to work on taking notes. Have a great day today. Contact me if you have any questions at all.